Hi friend, welcome back to another episode Trading with Shaka. Today's video will be over ICT power of trade, which we also known as accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But before we get into that, we need to look into the key factor that should be our guide. The first is what is open high close and what is open low close high. So these are things we got before we look into what is power of trade, how to identify it with some good examples I prepare for you. So what is open low high close? That is OLHC. Looking at this example, this is our daily candle. Converting this daily candle into intraday price action. That's what we want to say, and how to use this to capture impulsive move during the day as the trader we are. You know, you can't trade on daily candle, so this would be our guide. This should be our pattern on high time frame, order flow, and draw on liquidity. Hope you understand. So this is open low high close. Let's move to open high low close. The scenario, the price toward a daily candle, the price open high and close low. So the intraday price action is what we'll be looking at. After that, then we're moving into the power of trade. Now the movements you saw in the screen now, the dots and the intraday price action, and that's what everyday trader is trying to capture. So let's look into the goal of this strategy. This is to enable us capture daily impulsive move in the market. As we have known our daily OHLC and OLHC, let's invite the power of trade to take over the power of the trade. So if this trend ties you, kindly subscribe, follow us for more good content like this, and don't forget to share with your friend who is still struggling. And the power of trade is about to begin. Major stages of power of trade. We know number one is accumulation phase. That happens in Asian section, manipulation happens in London section, and distribution happens in New York section. And that distribution is what we are trying to figure out on how to capture those moves. Now we take a look into it one by one. Accumulation phase, that is London Asian section. Look at the example. That's when price will be in a range, forming sell side and buy side liquidity in the old highs and low. That's where our sell side and buy side liquidity normally stays in Asian session. This manipulation on London session. So what is the characteristics of this? Characteristics of London session is when we have the breakout out of that very range. So that first breakout is just to induce breakout traders. As the breakout traders get into the market, we notice that the price will immediately go back to take out all the stop loss. That very soon. We're trying to avoid this. That's why we want to learn this today. This is how the power of trade uses traders to get liquidity to complete its last phase called distribution. Looking into the entries, I know you'll be wondering how to find entries in this trade. We have two pattern of entries. In the manipulation, we use reversal pattern. In distribution, we use continuation pattern. These are the two entry model we'll be using. Now look at this very example. We have accumulation, have manipulation, and we have distribution. And where we are finding entry should be manipulation and distribution. So our entry in distribution, manipulation. In the manipulation, let's discuss. You see that the price have moved down into breakout out of the Asian session. On the manipulation, you see that the price breakouts and moves back into that very zone, take out the last lower high, then cause a chart pattern called reversal chart pattern. Then this one is just when market breakouts of range. If there is any VG or that block, you take your entry in that very area. Let's take a few live examples before we go further into other things we have for you guys. Okay, look at this Euro USD 15 minutes time frame. The first thing we need to observe is what our midnight open, which is happens normally in every 12 o'clock a.m. Then this Asian session follows. This is a breakout on London session. When it opens, you see that the price move out and take the last recent lower high. And right as it is broken, that's market structure shift. We find very good order block and see how price drastically move up and they target any PDRA. Example of the two ways entry, the manipulation, reversal chart pattern, and manipulation. Let me show you how you can use double entries on this very strategy. Then you see this is manipulation and the price moves up and change character. There's another block sitting there. That's a reversal pattern. That's the first entry we have. We talk about it. Then we have a market structure shift. There's a very good MVG there. That's our continuation chart entry. And we have distribution on New York session. So that's how you can use double entry to catch massive. Let's look at the last example called GBUSD. This is a Shan range, and you see the London manipulation price moves out to induce breakout traders. Then you saw market structure shift. There's called that is single candle order block. See how the price take on the liquidity down there, the moves up on New York session. Thanks for watching this. We'll wrap it today. We don't want it to be too long. Kindly subscribe, share with your friends. Always back this whatever you learn from this channel. Don't forget to like so that this video will reach to other struggling traders. Thank you.